Hello folks, welcome back to the another video. Today we will see the props, health check props like startup probe. So three types of props are there, startup probes. So last time we have seen that, and that is a basic one. Startup delay we have setting up with the environmental variable, but this is a little deep. We're gonna see the three types of props with examples also, right? So health props, that is the main topic. So those health props which having three types of props. One is container level, pod level, and the cluster level, right? So first one, startup probe, that will wait for the container to complete initialization before marking it as ready, right? So inside the pod, all the containers will ensure whether those are completed or not. That means those are running or not. That it will startup probe will ensure that, right? Then liveness probe. So what it will do, the pod is ready or not. That it will ensure with the liveness probe. Check if the application is still running currently or it's up and it's ready to handle the traffic or not. That's what its liveness probe will ensure. Once it completed, so once it's started, then it will go for the readiness. So that means application is up and running, then it ready to accept the traffic, right? Then it will go for the readiness probe. What it will do, application is ready mean it will ready to receive the traffic. Then the service IP will assign and everything will happen, right? So these props are um, having a particular protocols. With them it will pass the commands or some parameters inside the container or pod to fetch the health status of the container or pod. That's what. Okay, how it will test with them, how it will fetch, is having three types of parameters. Okay, right? http get and container command, it will check with the commands. Last, TCP socket. Okay, through the socket it will attempt to establish the connection, right? http get, the cluster will send the http specified http protocol endpoint. The test is considered a successful mint and it will get the response, right? Code between 200 to 399, right? Otherwise it will consider as a fail until it will restart, or it will uh, keep on there will be a grace period until it will keep on restart, right? So it will ensure until that. Okay, then container commands, so it will pass the container command and it will check the health of the pod inside the container inside the pod. If it's exit with the status of 0, then the test is successful, or rather if it's pass any 7 6 in the case, then it will uh, keep trying with the particular threshold, right? So there will be a certain time, so every 3 seconds, so it will 10 times it will try, right? Particular 10 times it will periodical time, there will be interval time 3 seconds, so it will keep on trying, right? Then in case apart from this 3 seconds, it's still the it's restarting, or the issues persist, and it will mitigate to the issue, right? And it will failure, right? And startup will be failed, right? That's all. So this will used by all the three: readiness, liveness, and startup. All right. So we have an examples. We have tested this. I will explain them and I will apply, and uh, I will show the test cases as well, right? So what it will do, we're creating nginx startup nginx container, right? So inside that it will sleep for 30 seconds. Once 30 seconds apart, happened, and it will come for ready state. So we can test and we can see that, right? The pod will sleep for 30 seconds, and the startup pod every 3 seconds for 30 seconds. That means it will um, so every 3 seconds if it's failed, so every 3 seconds it will try to restart, right? So until the probe success, pod won't be marked as ready, right? Okay, let me test this. Okay, it's not deployment. Go for the pod, create the pod. See, container is creating, and logs, we will see that. So startup delay, that means we'll go for terminal and check this. I'll check was it get pod, what happening. So it's still not yet ready because it's there is a time, yeah. So after 30 seconds when it's showing it's ready, right? See, starting nginx and now attempting to perform configurations. So now it is healthy. So there is an in this YAML there it will run a script, so it will make fail for first 30 seconds, and it will after that it will show us a ready. So that's what uh, here the command arguments is passed, right? So now the container is ready. So when it will happen after 30 seconds, right? So next, liveness. So now startup happened after 30 seconds. That's what here is shown. So next the liveness, we're gonna test. So what it will happen, liveness will test with the particular directory. If that directory is not there and the pod is not ready, that's what the condition. Okay. So we can check if liveness will be become that test case will become pass when the stem/healthy directory is presented. If it's not there, it will try to recreate or restart whatever within 5 seconds, every 5 seconds, right? So we'll delete that and we'll go for the liveness probe, right? See logs, let's see, container is creating right now, and we'll get not startup pod, it's an it's not liveness. So now it is ready. So we can see it's showing log showing I'm alive. That means the pod is alive right now. So events, nothing there, right? So now we gonna make this failed. That means unhealthy, right? How we gonna do? So we will remove the directory. If the directory is there, that is a condition. How the application is ready, everything is settled, and it will ensure us a ready. So we will remove that. Remove slash ls remove star ls. So nothing is there. Now what will happen? Terminal closed. That means health is not there and pod went to error state. Now it got created. Right, you have seen that. So you can see that running. It restarted once because it's tried to restart. It went for error because we have removed the directory. Alright, so it tried to recreating and now we can see that now it went to live. So again we try to delete that. What will happen? Slash temp slash star. We removed and it will go for unhealthy, right? So unhealthy, it went to error, crash loop back off, and it will recreate. Unhealthy, it's trying to recreate. It will restart again. See, now it's running. So now terminal came. So now the directory will be there. Temp. See, healthy. Directory is presented now. That's it. So now we will see. So now what happened? The particular cases should be matched the directory or whatever. Once completed, then it will the pod will live. Then it will go for readiness prop to ensure whether it can able to handle the traffics or not under the cluster wise, right? So now check the application is ready. Entire application is ready to receive the traffic or not. So now application deployed, containers are created, pod is created, and application is up and running. So now we want to ensure again it's ready to receive the traffic or not, right? So we'll create with this YAML, right? So it's creating, running. So it's running and logs. We'll check the terminal. Yeah, it's 1 on 1. That means inside the container is right now it's ready, up and running. Okay, we'll test this, right? So we will remove the directory. Similar, there will be a ready directories there, right? So now you can see. So in events we can see the ready directory is removed, but still the pod is running, right? So the application is, the pod is running it, that means application is running, but it's not ready, right? Because the one of the directory is not presented. So now the readiness probe is failed. Okay, we want to rectify that issue from the application side or the like developer side or administrator. So application is down, basically the developer will take care of it. So we want to inform or want to let them know one of the pod is not ready, readiness probe is failed. So see, we can see in the logs or events. So readiness probe is failed, can't open the particular directory. right? There is no logs, but the events will be there. So you can check that ls temp, nothing is there. Right? So now the developer will enter and he will rectify the issue. How he will? So the directory, he came to know the directory is not there, and he will create the directory. You can do like this. Touch over the terminal and paste it. Yeah, right. And now we can see the pod is ready now, right? We have created and it is ready now. Events, so it will take some time. ls last temp ready. Yeah, right. Alright, now the pod is ready. So now it's ready to accept the traffic, right? That's it, guys. I will share all the commands in the description. Thank you. We'll see in the next video.